Hi ladies and welcome to Kindness Milk. I'm Regina Kincaid. I'm an international board certified lactation consultant in Ireland, and today I would like to show you the Koala breastfeeding hold. I've been working with a few mothers recently who found this hold particularly helpful to achieve a deep latch on the breast. The Koala breastfeeding hold is one of the upright breastfeeding positions, but you can also adjust it to a more laid back feeding position depending on your needs. You can practice this hold on the bed or the couch. You can use a chair with a little footstool, which I'm going to show you a little bit later on. But if you decide to practice this hold on the bed, it's good to prop up a few pillows so that you have good back support. And once you're sitting comfortably, bend your knee on the side on which you're going to feed from. You can leave your other leg stretched out, or you can bring it closer as well. Then take your baby and sit your baby onto your thigh with baby's legs left and right either side. Then slide your baby down and bring baby's bottom really close into your body. Support baby's neck and shoulders with the hand and arm on the side that you're going to feed from. So support baby's neck and shoulders, but keep baby's head free. So baby's head can extend a little bit, tilt back to come up to you and reach onto the breast. Once you have your baby in a good position, baby's head and body should be in a straight line. You can start out nose to nipple and then bring baby into the breast. Naturally, in this position, often babies open their mouths really wide and come up to you. Once your baby is attached, if you want to, especially on the bed, this is handy, you can slide down and adopt a more laid back feeding position. This is particularly helpful for smaller babies who need a little bit more support, who don't have such good neck control themselves yet. This would be particularly small babies or babies under 2 weeks. They just need a little bit more contact points with your body, and they will find that when gravity is pulling them more into your body, that they can work better with the mother's body as they have those contact points. Although the Koala breastfeeding hold takes a little bit of practice to get used to, and sometimes works a little bit better with older babies, older than 2 weeks old. But nevertheless, it can be a really helpful position for babies who suffer from a little bit of reflux, as they are quite upright when they're drinking the milk. It can also help mothers who have a very fast letdown once they've got baby on and they slide back a little bit and adopt a more laid back feeding position so that the milk is not pouring straight into the baby. It can even help babies whose mums have a little bit of an oversupply, again in a more laid back position. I find it works particularly well for mothers whose babies have a tongue tie while they're either waiting for the frenotomy, the division of the tongue tie, or if it's only a mild tongue tie that doesn't need surgical treatment, and mothers just want a technique or a position to achieve a deeper latch to help their baby transfer the milk better. This hold can be really helpful. For babies who have a tongue tie, you can combine the Koala hold with another breastfeeding technique to make latch on even more successful. This is called the tilted nipple or exaggerated latch-on technique, and combine this as well with the Flipple technique, which I'm going to show you now. So with the nipple tilt or exaggerated latch-on technique, what you're trying to achieve is that baby gets a large mouthful of breast and breast tissue from underneath the nipple all the areola and the breast tissue draws it into their mouth so that the nipple will rest at the comfort zone, which is between the hard and the soft palate, and will not rub against baby's hard palate and make mum sore. Also, if they get a large mouthful of breast and breast tissue, they are able to work on those ducts much more efficiently and transfer milk much better. The way you can support baby to come onto the breast using this technique is by you can either use your thumb and forefinger, or you use your index finger and your middle finger. And with your index finger, so you support the baby, bring baby close, but the chin as far away from the nipple as possible, the nipple pointing towards the baby's nose. And that what you're going to do with your index finger is push in a little bit to give the nipple a tilt even more upwards towards the baby's palate and the roof of the mouth. And then as you bring baby on and they open their mouth really wide, they will scoop up a large amount of breast tissue from underneath the nipple. So you tilt it up a little bit and you have this bulge here under the nipple, this bulge of breast tissue, which baby can then scoop up nicely. And then as baby comes on, what you can then do is flip the nipple in. So you work together, you bring baby to the breast, but you can work, the two of you can work together, and as you have the nipple tilted up, baby comes up, you flip the nipple in, and as you flip the nipple in, what's sometimes necessary is to gently flip baby's upper lip out, but it's more important that baby's lower lip is curled out. And last but not least, the koala hold on a chair. Once your baby's on, you can relax back and wrap your arm around baby and support baby's bottom so that baby's is kind of lying in the crook of your elbow, and you support baby's bottom with your hand. And then you can relax, and the other hand you also bring to baby's bottom for extra support. So your arm from the side that you're feeding off, wrap it around baby, support baby's bottom with your hand, baby resting in the crook of the elbow, and then the other hand as well for extra support on the baby's bottom. And then relax your shoulders for so that you don't get tense and that milk can flow very nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me some suggestions in the comments below for more tutorials. If you like what you see, consider subscribing, and otherwise until next time, hope your breastfeeding journey is going well.